So it is dark out here, as you can see, dark. And I have still been out here working on this goddamn truck.
Travel on your own on a bedroom trip. On a bedroom trip. On a bedroom trip.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Q, man. I'm back for another video. Thank y'all for tuning in. It should be a quick one today, man. If you follow me on Instagram, anything like that, you probably saw that I got some new mods for the truck. You probably can guess where they are, judging by the box. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I'll post that here at the bottom of the page right there for you. So we're on my way out to the truck right now, and I'll catch y'all when we get over to the truck. If you know anything about college athlete, man, this was the look right here. You had the Nike slides with the high black socks, baby. You can't beat it, man. Also, this look was known as the thought look. So if you was in college, walking around one of these, you was the athletes and most females thought you was a thought, but that's not true. But yeah, this is my back in the day college football look I got rocking right now, man. So again, what I got, you probably can tell by looking at the box. I got some more LED lights, man, from Crystalux. So I actually got the gosh, what you call this? The brake bulb up top. Two of for the white bulbs up top, cargo bed, and then I got also the reverse tail lights, man. I got these in a little high definition as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And actually, they give you a lot of stuff too, man. You look in here, they give you some stickers. Pretty cool stickers. You got to peel out one. They give you this. So whoop, this way. So that's pretty cool. And they give you in the black as well. So pretty cool. I haven't used any of them. I might get a wall or something and put them on there. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the tail lights first on each side. And basically, simply, the only thing you're gonna do is remove this screw and this screw right here. On the other side over there, remember, if you haven't watched the video, consider go back and watching. I installed the easy tailgate assist on that video, on that side of the truck, excuse me. So I'm gonna have to actually remove a little bit of that. Nothing really, I just snap it off and remove it in order to reach this bulb right here because that device is blocking it. Shout out to my boy D Nice, the wrong coming through with the drill, man. Drill, little power tool action. Let's go. All right, give you guys a look. This is what the bulb looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it. Pretty cool. It's actually a very cool looking bulb. Slide it out, as you can see there. Here's this is the signal bulb. Here's your reverse tail light bulb here, the green. So go ahead, we're just gonna unscrew it. Whoop, it pops straight out, boom, just like that. Kind of let that hang right now, should be fine. Take your bulb here, just get a little, work it out. Should have put some gloves on, boom. Comes right out, pretty easy. Take your new bulb. Let's see, boom. Boom. So to put it back, same thing. Put it in. Do a little turn. Boom, boom. Just like that, back in. So now you're just gonna slide it in and hey guys, real quick, I want to show you all something. So I actually had trouble removing the DZ tailgate assist. So I actually had to YouTube a video on how to do it. Basically what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to take the screwdriver, stick it in this little notch thing right there, as you can see it, and then it kind of comes off. So what's up guys, you see on top of the truck now. And let me tell y'all, I still haven't gotten that tail light out, man. That DZ tailgate thing is giving me all type of issues. So I'm running out of daylight. It's dark in the seam. So what I'm about to do is just go ahead and switch up here to the top. All right, finally got them all in. I'm sweating, man, once again. So let me just make sure this worked real quick. I'm gonna record a video, come back and watch it. When I hit the brake light, make sure it's coming on. So it is dark out here, as you can see, dark. And I have still been out here working on this goddamn truck. Finally, I got the DZ tailgate thing off. Dude, let me tell you, this is hard as crap. So basically, it's low spring loaded right there. You probably can't see it. Let me flip it around, hold on. So basically, you see this little spring, little cord wraparound thing right there, man. This thing, the little bend, you basically have to stick a flathead screwdriver in there, right? And so my dumb self was using one I had on this the whole time, and it was too thick, and I thought it just couldn't fit. And so then I finally discovered, literally like 40 minutes later, y'all, I discovered that I had a smaller head in this set. So I put the smaller head on, and finally I got it off. And the reason I had to get it off because it was blocking the screw right there to get the freak into the thing. So I'm just gonna tell y'all right now, you get a DZ tailgate lift and you have to freaking take it off, man. Just be prepared. It wasn't as easy as I thought. So you can see this is actually providing light, how much light it's actually providing on me giving y'all this video right now. I mean, it's lighting me up. But man, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that was probably should have been the easiest video ever done, probably the hardest video ever done. So now when I get finished with the lights, as you can see, they're super bright, look good. Took forever to get the freaking DZ tailgate assist thing off, man. So if you definitely get one of those, I probably was doing it wrong, because as soon as I used the small screw head, the small flathead screwdriver, it came out pretty easy, but it took me forever to get that thing off. And then my gimbal died, and so I couldn't even use that, so now I'm holding it with my hand. And I charged the gimbal all night last night, so I'm kind of concerned. Hopefully it's nothing wrong with it, but I did charge it all night last night. But again, you can see this thing is lighting me up, man. Like, it's providing great light. I mean, even facing this way, you can see how much light is coming out. So it lights up the entire bed at nighttime too. Let me show y'all this. Like, you can see the whole bed at nighttime. So came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Just about gonna wrap this video up, man. Been out here for an hour on like a 5-minute project, but thank y'all for subscribing, tuning in, watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Oh, also I got the 400 looms or whatever. If you're going in what it is, I think a 100, 400, 600, 800. So I got the 400. They look pretty good. Super bright. I mean, bright, like hurt your eye bright. You feel me? But just like that, man. Y'all stay blessed. Have a great one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.